5 a.m. Yaba, while students stay sleep. Iya Bose don't wake up. Fire don't already day. Pot don't already boil. Her day don't start. 3 hours before school. This small wooden shed. Na restaurant. Na office. Na her pension plan. People call her Mama Put Queen. But she no be queen for palace. She be queen for stove. 6 a.m. First customer. Mama. Rice and stew. 300 naira. 1 spoon of rice. 2 pieces of meat. 1 smile way day free. Eat well, my pekin. School go soon start. For the next 8 hours, that same spoon go move 200 times. 200 students. 200 workers. 200 hungry bellies. No AC, no delivery app, no waiter. Just Iya Bose, her pot and her blessing. 10 a.m. Heat day boil her face. Sweat day mix with stew. Sometimes pepper enter my eye, sometimes pot burn my hand. But when customers say, Mama, food sweet, all pain disappear. Raw food, 35,000 naira daily. Gas, 5,000 naira. Pepper, tomato, oil, 30,000 naira. Total cost, 70,000 naira. Sales, 60,000 naira. Wait, no loss? No, because 50 students they owe her. Pay me Friday, Mama, and Friday always come. Real profit, 25,000 naira daily, 750,000 naira monthly. From 1 pot, 2 p.m. Pot dawn nearly dry. Last plate of rice, last piece of meat. Student come run. Mama, no meat again? Iya Bose look then bring out hidden piece from her own plate. Take this one, my pekin. You need strength for exam. That na why her shed full every day, na not just food, na mother love, with stew. 4 p.m. She day wash pot, back day pain leg day swell, but she day sing worship song. God thank you for today, tomorrow make pot bigger past today. She no get shop, she no get certificate, but she get 200 children, we call her mama. Bank no fit give her loan, but her customers they give her trust daily. Next time you buy 300 naira rice for street. Remember Iya Bose. She no just cook food, she cook dreams, she cook graduation, she cook survival, small pot, big blessings. Respect the hustle, respect the queen.